Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to episode 6, the final episode of the quest for the perfect unboxing knife. You said this was going to be at least an 8-part series. It is going to be, but we have to do the voting episode and then the actual election episode too. So it will be a total of an 8-part series. I thought about doing 10 parts, but truthfully, I've got so many of them. It's just getting so ridiculous. It's time to start finishing this up. If you don't know what's going on, when I hit 15, when I hit 15 or 10. I can't remember. I think it was 10,000. I gave away my old dedicated unboxing knife, which was the Rainbow Lady of the Sea, to one lucky viewer who happened to be my buddy Jeff. I only drew the name, so Jeff has it. But it left me without a dedicated unboxing knife. And you might be thinking, why wouldn't you just use one of the knives that you recommend on your channel that you've got lying around all over the place? Because that's not fun and that's not interesting. And I thought, it would be really fun to do a series where I have things that people have sent in and unbox them and sort of react to them and talk about them. And then give everybody an opportunity to collectively vote on what I should use to unbox everything. So I was asking people over the last a couple of months, if you've got something that has a value of no more than $50 that you'd like to submit to my channel, as it would be a donation, it would be donated to the channel. And then I would unbox it, take a look at it, and then at the end, everybody would collectively vote on one that I would keep and use, and then all of the rest of these will actually be packaged up and offered as giveaway knives to all of you guys, because I'm not trying to collect this stuff. It's purely for entertainment, obviously. But I also do need an unboxing knife because I've just been using the PM2 and that's boring. So you guys will eventually have the power after this episode to decide if you want me to use something that's mildly convenient or something that's not convenient at all. So I urge you to go back and check out some of the other episodes. No more entries, no more sending, this is going to be the last episode. So whatever is in these packages is actually going to be, the last few here. But we're going to start off today. Oh, by the way, thank you to all my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. Really appreciate it. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there is a link down in the description. The support would mean the world to me. The first one here is actually out of the package. This was sent by Shaker MT, and this is a little off-grid knife that's got this interesting I almost cut myself there. It's a button lock, but it's essentially what disengages the liner underneath. My impression of off-grid knives is super positive, and from what I know about them, they make super good tools. So actually this would be super convenient, but what I've learned about my viewers and from the comments section is I don't know that you guys really want me to use something that's terribly convenient. So this might end up being one that people basically just hope is something that they win. Let's open this first box here. Let me tell you who sent this. Oh, this is from Kiefer. Great. I remember the message Kiefer sent me. He said, hey, I got something for your unboxing deal. And I was like, oh, what is it? And he was like, I don't want to tell you. And I was like, okay. He's like, you trust me? And I was like, no, but go ahead and send it. So here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, what? What is this? What is going? Oh, some rubber gloves. Should I be putting these on? What on earth? Oh my gosh. Oh, this. I mean, is this just for handling things? I mean, this is really nice. Maybe I should actually put these on while I'm unboxing this stuff. So here we go. For the sake of your entertainment, I am actually going to be doing the rest of this episode in these black rubber gloves that were sent by Kiefer. I have a feeling that as soon as I read the note, oh, that one tooted. As soon as I read the note, what is this? Oh, this is a mask. Oh, there's a note right here. Yeah, okay, so thank you, Kiefer, for making sure that my hands and face are safe. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys... MC, here's my submission for your dedicated unboxing knife or dedication box opening knife. This blade was forged out of a coil spring from an old F-150. Holy cow. The holder was a piece of packing that I'm not sure what that word is, that my freezer came in. Oh, the holder. Oh, packing. A piece of packing that my freezer came in. And it's totally all handmade. Hey, interesting. Includes some, the glove included is some gloves and masks. I hope this is the winning submission. I did this all on a Sunday morning. Oh wow. I had to keep it under 50. Have a great day. Okay. Well, I am very interested to find out what is in here. And I'm really glad that I'm wearing gloves now. Here we go. Oh, boy. Okay, so actually this is really sweet. Oh, my gosh. That's awesome. Oh, my gosh. This is perfect. This is a perfect unboxing tool. Oh, man. I don't want to give this away. I want you guys to vote for this. This is so unique. It's made out of an F-150 truck spring. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this. I mean, considering how I would hold it, I mean, yeah, oh, it's perfect. How weird am I? Why am I wearing gloves? Oh, Kiefer, I hope that one wins, man. That's so cool. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. Okay, so, let's go ahead and get into this one. This is, it just says entry for official unboxing knife. So let's go ahead and try out Kiefer's. Yeah, I like that. So much handle. I can get a whole purchase on this guy and just tear into it, right? Oh, wonderful. So let's get into it here. What do we have? Oh, okay. So we got an OTF. Forgive me. Person who sent this, let me turn up the exposure. Oh, I can't because I'm wearing rubber gloves, so you'll just have to deal with the lighting here. Person who sent this, forgive me. I don't know who you are, but yeah, I mean, I would totally unbox something with an OTF. So that would be fantastic. I mean, that's really, really convenient. How weird does this look right now? Imagine somebody popping into this episode, having no idea what's going on, and there's this guy wearing rubber gloves just not saying anything. I mean, it works great. So yeah, absolutely. Fantastic. Make yourself known if you sent that one, and I will make sure that other people see it. Last one in here I partially got into. This was sent by Mr. Vincent, and I actually know what's in this box, and it's another one that would be a fantastic unboxing knife. It's actually, oh wait, there's something else in here. Let's do this one first. So this is something that I have already reviewed, and I remember he had a conversation with me, and he was like, it's just not something that I use very much or like as much as some of my other knives. This is the CJRB Crag in carbon fiber, made out of D2. This would be a fantastic box opening knife. I gave this knife a great review, and you can get those for a super low convenient price, or a super low price that a lot of people, you know, would have no problem paying. This is a great knife, so I would very much like that. And oh boy. So this beautiful baby here is a Gerber. Ew. This is not something. Hang on, guys. Let me take this. Ugh. Jeez. I don't know why I showed you guys that. Let me turn the lighting up a little bit here so you guys can get a good look at this beauty. Oh, this is not so much something that I hope wins. What does it say here? U.S. patent, made in Taiwan. Okay. So in terms of carry profile, you're not carrying much. You know, it also probably works as a money clip. Blade is basically exposed right there. That's not something that I would love to unbox things with, but I can kind of see why that person submitted it for that reason. So here you go, guys. We have some more amazing candidates. Like I said, this was the final episode for submissions, episode 6. Episode 7, I will have all of the knives lined up. You guys will be able to look at them, and I will figure out a way where you guys can all collectively vote, even if it just comes down to you guys voting in the comment section, and I literally tally them up. If that's how I have to do it, that's how I'm going to do it. No problem. And then the final episode will be the one where I actually select the dedicated unboxing knife and then let you know how you can win. I will probably do the other knives in packages. It probably won't be, to keep the shipping costs, reasonable. It'll probably be, like 3 in a package. So I'll try to divide them up equally and then people can win. But in any case, this has been a super fun series. I'm really glad that people engaged and wanted to be a part of it. This was really, really fun, and I hope you guys are enjoying the series. But in any case, hope you guys at least were entertained by this video. If you were, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this metal complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.